The Tribit FlyBuds C1 has caught many's attention because of its good performance, long battery life, and of course, affordable price point. Today we have got our hands on these bad boys, so let's have a hands-on experience. First of all, unboxing. It comes in a simple plastic wrapped box, and when unboxing, you'll be first greeted with a beefy paperwork, a thank you note, and the earbuds themselves. It also includes 5 extra pair of silicone ear tips, which you can try if you don't find the right fit, and a USB-C cable for charging, which you don't see on budget earbuds every day. Nice! Done with unboxing. Now let's have a closer look at the earbuds. At first, the case comes in a super compact size and feels lightweight on hand. It has got a matte texture, which means less prone to scratches and stealthier looks. On the bottom, you can see the USB-C input for fast charging. Then around on the front, you have a pairing button. And you also have 4 indicator lights that will show you how much battery life is left on the case. The battery life is really impressive, as the earbuds themselves will give you around 12 hours of use. And with the charging case, you will get around 50 hours of battery life in total. So 12 hours is easily going to get people through a day. But if you happen to pick them up and they're dead, it does have fast charge feature where a 10-minute charge will get you an hour and a half worth of use. Moving over to the earbuds, design-wise, it has a red mesh grille and metallic finish on the outside. The stem is a shorter stem like the AirPods Pro, and it is just enough to make these stand out. Now let's connect it with a smartphone. Setting up the earbuds is super easy. Just put them in the case, turn on your phone's Bluetooth and hit connect, and it's done. These earbuds are using Bluetooth 5.2 for connectivity, but they also have a Qualcomm 3040 chip and aptX high-quality audio decoding, which means you're going to get some pretty decent performance. Talking about the performance, the sound that these have is absolutely explosive. It is a dynamic sounding earbud, but it leans more towards the clarity and the detail of your mids and highs. The bass is pretty tight, and if you listen to a lot of different genres, these earbuds will go well with you. The buttons are placed lower on the stem that you can use to control everything from play, pause, skipping your tracks, to volume up and down. All you can do very easily. There are 2 mics on each earbud, one to block out your surroundings, and the other one is to focus on your voice. The mics use CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology, making this ideal for taking conference and phone calls. Overall, with its amazing battery life and performance, this is easily one of the best sounding stem-style earbuds that you can get for day-to-day use. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.